Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to put indent in Google Docs. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. So to create an indent for the entire document we will need a ruler. To enable it, go to the View tab and click Show Ruler. OK, now we select the entire document, namely press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A and drag the upper dash right here on the ruler to the required value. To create an indent for a single paragraph, place the cursor at the beginning of the paragraph and press the Tab button on the keyboard. And this should be done with each paragraph. There is also an alternative way to add indentation for the entire document. Select the entire text by pressing Ctrl+A and go to the Format tab. Align an indent and select indentation option. In the window that opens, select the indentation value for all lines on the left or right. And if we need an indentation only for the first line, then select first line from the special indent list and enter the value on the right. Let's say 1.5. Click OK and the indentation will be added. That's all. Now we know more.